Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Pancakes. Today I would like to show you how to make simple pancake. I actually learned how to make pancake when I was about 11 years from my mom. She taught us how to make pancakes. I've stuck to her recipe since then. I will also pass it over to my kids, but today let's get into pancake. So here are all the ingredients, things you need to make a simple pancake for breakfast. I've got my flour, fresh milk, sugar, 2 spoons of sugar, oil for frying, a pinch of salt, and an egg. Yeah, so that's just basically all you need to make a simple pancake. Let's get into it. Start by putting in my flour. This is just the flour, and then I go in with sugar, just stir it. That's the sugar and the flour together. Just stir it. Then my pinch of salt goes in. Stir. Then you put in the egg, but before you put in the egg, you have to bring it out from the shell. There goes in the egg. You stir it together. Just keep stirring. Then you put in your milk. As you can see, I'm still stirring. I have to make sure it doesn't have any crumbs, and the other, you just have to keep stirring till it becomes smooth. You have to get a smooth paste. And while stirring to get a smooth paste, if you feel it's too thick, you have to keep adding the milk to get what you want. I've got a smooth paste now. It's smooth now. Let's go into frying. So when you want to do the frying of the pancake, you make sure that you put the heat on medium. Let it be on medium. So you put in a little bit of groundnut oil, just as if you're trying to fry an egg, and then you pour in a little bit, yeah, that much. So let me just let it fry. I'm just trying to turn it around. You see that? Yeah, you see how smooth it is? Yeah. Simple plain pancake for breakfast for your kids, your partner, yourself. So this is the final product. This is for my husband. He likes having something light in the morning. So yeah, this is simple pancake for breakfast for you, your kids, and your family. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click the red button that says subscribe, and you click the notification button to get notified when I post a new video. Yeah, thanks. I've got to go. Bye.